Guys, welcome back to the shed. It's not a shed, it's a garage now, but I've got more room, but I'm keeping the name obviously. I've just got in from work, and this is the Black Widow box with the exhaust system in for the Z1000sx. That's the twin exhaust with the panniers. I haven't looked in it yet, so we're going to open it and have a look, see what's inside. While on camera, so I can't fiddle with anything. But yeah, I'm excited about doing this one, to be fair.
So I'll have a quick look at the exhaust, just show you. Black Widow exhausts, click on shop, Kawasaki, and then we've got Z1000, and then we've got Z1000sx here, 2010 to 2019. So it's the 4x2 system because it's the twin exhaust. The bike's got panniers, full system then. And then that's the thing, you've got the no pannier and the with pannier system. Well, this bike has got panniers. Let's go here. 360mm. 4x2. There we go. So that's the CG36R. 100 of those available at the minute. And then that's the one that you're looking at. So that's the one we've just unboxed, or about to unbox. There's a kit. Let's click on that and get you a better view of that. So that's everything that comes with it. That's everything that is out there in the box. All the spacers, the clips, springs, gaskets. It's all there. And then, so that's what it should look like on the bike, or will look like on the bike. So there you go, £634, which I think is a bargain, to be honest, for that system. But that's the one that we're going to be fitting. And you can see on here you've got the complete decat system, you've got the lambda sensor input, as it says there, accepts the original lambda O2 sensor, no jetting needed, fit and ride. And there we go. But look, I won't bore you too much with that part. Let's get back to the video, but that is the system from Black Widow.
Let's have a look, see what we've got. So, first thing is lots of pens, some stickers, courtesy of Black Widow, which is awesome. And then we'll take it all out. Have a look at these pieces first. Got some same as the last one, some Holt's exhaust assembly paste in case you need it. All really well packaged. Let's get this box down. Right, so the important bit is the code on the side there, which is the CG36R. I'm hoping that this one matches. Yeah. So CG36R, that one and that one. And then the other one I presume will be the ancillary equipment. So what they've put in here, this is the link pipe. But I won't take it all out because you don't need to see everything, but I don't want to bore you with that. What I do want to show you is the quality of the TIG welds, which I think are bloody good, to be fair. And they are. So a little bit of a close up there on the TIG, which is looking pretty. And you know what, they're a decent thickness, aren't they? What are they, 5mm? 5mm plate. Gasket's already in. Inside there, gasket's already in. But you know, that's nice looking. And my fingerprints are all over it now. So let's have a look inside here. SBS 180, one set. But I am genuinely looking forward to getting this done. I've had a look on YouTube. I couldn't see any, if many, videos on the Z1000sx. Any sort of aftermarket full system exhaust, but maybe I didn't look hard enough. So the rest of the link pipes look like they're in here. So these are, yeah, these are down pipes. Have a look at one of them. So there's one of them. And that's looking nice. You know, there's no doubt about it that the welding, the quality of the welds on these are really good. That's okay, isn't it? It's lovely. You've got your gaskets in there and your fitting kit, springs, that sort of thing. All well packaged, it's all in there. So, should we have a look at the nice bit? I mean, these are nice, don't get me wrong. But should we have a look at the cans? He says. Let's have a look. Been cold there, look. So clamps, spacers, another clamp, another clamp, the rod on there and the spacers. And then, I like how they package these. Now straight away, you can tell, it's just the weight. I haven't even looked at it yet, but there's a really, really nice weight to that. And that's what they come in the Black Widow bag, as I showed you on the last one. And here we have, that is lovely. And then, so there's like, they put like the little clip on the end, over the bag as well. And we untuck this. And there we go. Baffle in, carbon. And again, I know I keep saying it, but that's got a really, really nice weight to it, and you have to sort of feel it to know. It's hard to show you on a video. But that, so you got your baffle in. But that's stunning. That is really good. And obviously there's two of them. So we'll pop that on the way. I'm going to be hopefully I'm going to be putting this on in the next couple of weeks. Work is really busy at the minute, which is why I've been doing so many videos, and obviously moving house and getting everything set up here. But as you can see, I wanted to keep the shed feel. I haven't even spoke about it, because this is just a brick garage. So what I've done is I've put timber, rough sawn timber all the way around. I just prefer wood. Plus it's handy to hang up your tools and put shelves up and all that sort of stuff. So there we go. For those of you that watched my first Black Widow exhaust install, that one's on a totally different bike, totally different system. But as I've said, you know, Black Widow have sent me this to install on a different bike, different system, CG36R. I'll put it up on the screen and I'll do a little. I'll show you the actual system on the website. But all I can say is hats off to them, because the exhaust on the Honda CB1000R looks amazing still, sounds amazing still. Not that it shouldn't, but it's incredible. The baffle's always in on it. I have ridden it a couple of times with the baffle out, and it is incredibly loud, as you saw probably from the video. Can't wait to hear what this one sounds like, especially on the Z1000sx. Just because that bike, as it comes as standard from the factory, it's got a nice sound, but it's really sort of like, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's I'd be disappointed with the sound of it. And I'm not saying that just because it's a Kawasaki or whatever. If it was my bike, I'd be disappointed with the sound of it. But look, this system's going on it. So as soon as I've got time to do it, we'll get it started. We'll put the video up. But until then, if you haven't heard of Black Widow exhausts, I recommend you look them up. Every person that has listened to my exhaust says it sounds really nice, and I'm not just saying that. I ride with a lot of different people, and they all say it's got such a nice tone to it. I know people have bought these exhausts based on the last video, and I know that they have not been disappointed with them. So I am going to plug them, and I'm going to plug them because they sound amazing. It's as simple as that. If they didn't sound good, I'd say. And the welding and the packaging and the whole customer experience, again, fantastic. So thank you very much, and big thanks to Chelsea. So thanks very much, guys. I'm really looking forward to doing the video, and really looking forward to hearing what this sounds like, taking it out on the road and trying as best as I can through a camera to do it justice. But there we go. Cheers, guys. Thanks very much. ShedTorque.